Hey guys, this is Maurice, and today I'm going to show you how to make Glow CC on CapCut. This is the preview. Before I start the tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and open CapCut and do what I do. Go to adjust, brightness 5, contrast 10, saturation -5, exposure 5, sharpen 100. After that, go to HSL and copy my setting. Go to graph and copy my setting. Highlight 35. Shadow 5. Fade 20. After that, go to filters. Go to effects and add edge glow. This is the final result. Hope you like it.